being up 200 points higher. The market did come back a little bit. We are up 160 odd points. The day high is 18,267, which means the market's pulled back about 20 points or so, but not very much beyond that. Bank Nifty, of course, as I said, also did 1%, which means it's just 1% away from a new high, all-time high that is. Broader markets, again, solid mid-cap index, small-cap indices will come up on your screen. And of course, I mean, just basically three names contributing to 1/3 of the Nifty gains. HDFC Bank, HDFC and Reliance Industries. The others were TCS, Bajaj Finance and Adani Enterprises, which did very, very well. Those are large Nifty gainers that we had today. Prima.
Well, let me just put some stock price moves to the names there. Adani Enterprises is the top Nifty gainer, reported numbers, strong numbers, 26% growth in the company's top line. The bottom line is more than doubled to 722 crore versus 305 crores. HDFC Limited was a star in trade. The stock has hit a fresh 52-week high with a 2.5% up move. The gross NPA ratio lowest in the last 18 quarters. The NIMs, or the net interest margins, at a 7-quarter high. But across the board, strong gains coming through for the financial space. So Bajaj Finance, SBI Life, HDFC Bank, State Bank of India, all ending quite smartly. Bajaj Finserv too, higher in trade. Asian Paints has been climbing higher for the second consecutive day on the back of the decline in crude prices. So Asian Paints is up 1.7%. On the losing side, softness seen in IndusInd Bank, ICICI Bank. These were the only two noticeable banks which didn't participate in the up move. You had UPL correcting a bit and a few FMCG names like ITC. Strong run over the last couple of days, but today some profit taking.
Yes, that's the large cap picture on the mid cap screen. Not bad, though, of course, it was more a large cap day than the mid cap day. The index, however, still up about 0.5%, and the advance decline ratio was quite solid. I'll talk about some of the winners on the upside, and Chola Investments is right up there, 7.5% towards the close. ABB India was the other solid number today, 6% up on ABB. Adani is ending the day in style, 4.5% up. Adani Enterprises, that is, as the numbers have just come through. Havells turned positive. Earlier in the morning, there was some negativity around the stock on the outlook being a bit lackluster, perhaps, from the management. But again, we've got a 1% up move over there. Petronet LNG was a disappointment in terms of earnings. That one is ending down about 4%. Beyond this, just a couple of perhaps other names that one can look out for. Nykaa has had a good run today, 4.5% up on Nykaa. Equitas Small Finance Bank, 4.5% up there as well. So a pretty decent session. Some of the PSU stocks, which were going through the roof yesterday, today decided to come down to gravity, or come down to earth backed by gravity. So you've got IRFC, EIL, SJVN, a lot of these names, Aircon, all of those stocks losing some ground today. Well, with that, we come to the end of Thursday. A very solid session for the bulls, 18,241 on the Nifty, and the index inching its way closer towards the all-time high.
It's a wrap, and then on closing bell, don't go anywhere. A special offering, the Weekender, comes up next.